Hello again, this is Jorge Velastegui with part 4 of my 4-part video series on Powtoon. In this video, you're going to learn how to add a backing sound and music track. You're also going to learn how to add your voice, and I'll also show you how to export your finished product. So, from video number 3, this was a short presentation, original presentation I made, and then I duplicated the slide and I just changed the text. I just want you to have a basic feel for how to add the background music. So if we go back over here, this button right here turns your sound on and off. Right now it's off, see? And then right now we turn it back on. Now there's 2 ways you could add music. You could click on this button right here, and this will pop up, the sound manager. Or the other way you could add music is over here on the right, if you go to sound. So there's 4 choices. The sound track, which is the backing track. The voiceover track is a recording of your voice for the entire presentation. I like using voiceover per slide. I think that would help students just narrate one slide. And if they make a mistake, they could just fix it on that one slide. It's really neat that if you do a professional voiceover, you could hire somebody with a voice actor to read your presentation or sound out your presentation. So let's pick the soundtrack in the back, and let's pick a backing track. So they have different genres. The green ones are free choices you could use. The darker ones you have to upgrade and pay for. So I like to use motivation ones. Let's see. Okay, this one's really good. You could test hear it. Now I think that's good and that would serve my purpose, so I'm going to go ahead and add it. Yeah, added it. Now I have it right here. I can control the volume on it, and I'm going to hit apply. Notice it says after clicking apply, we recommend you also save your project to keep the sound file. So let's make sure we do that too. So we'll apply our music, and notice now that we have like a sound wave that shows us that we have our backing music. So let me show you how this would work and how it looks like. Well, let's hit save. And now let's run the project from the very beginning. And then it transitions into the second slide. Okay. I want to show you how to add in your voice, because I've done a lot of research and presentations on screencasting, and one of the benefits of screencasting for students is the opportunity for them to speak. I maintain that students don't have enough opportunities to speak in the classroom, and when they record their voices, they can hear themselves and they will be more reflective, and they can modify their speech pattern, tone, and intonation, and they will become really strong speakers if they record themselves frequently. So Powtoon gives you the opportunity to have students record their voice. So let's see. But you don't want the voice to confuse or overlap with the text. So let me show you how to do a voiceover. Okay, so click on voiceover per slide. This will pop up, and then you hit record, and it'll give you a countdown. Hello, welcome to my Powtoon presentation. So you could test hear it. Hello, welcome to my Powtoon presentation. And if you don't like it, you could cancel it, do it again. I like it. I'm going to save it. And now it is added in to my slide. And if you go to the sound manager, let's see if it pops up. Okay, let's see. So let's see how it looks like and how it sounds.
Hello, welcome to my Powtoon presentation.
Okay, so let's add a little voiceover to that one too. And we'll start recording. I hope you have learned valuable, helpful information. Goodbye. Now, I don't like that one, so we'll cancel it. And we'll try again. You know, what's neat is that you can record according to when things pop up. I hope you have learned helpful information. Goodbye. So I'll save that. Let's see how it sounds.
I hope you have learned helpful information. Goodbye.
Okay, so that worked out well. I'll save that. And that's basically how you add music and a voiceover to your Powtoons project. Now that we are finished with your project and you say you're a student, you want to send it to your teacher, or say you're a teacher, you want to save it for your students, click on export. You have numerous options for exporting. My favorite is YouTube. You can download it as a video. Well, actually, that's if you upgrade. Let's see. If you click My Powtoons, you have a personal Powtoons page, and all your Powtoons videos are saved there. Category. You have to show the watermark, standard. Again, these are upgrades. Export Powtoon. Well, that concludes my video series. I hope it's been helpful. Good luck with your Powtoon projects.